that time. So a cigarette being Marlboro, a $1 billion company that we have today, Marlboro, which gives cigarettes to everyone. A simple idea like a cigarette can become something so big today. Cigarette has become fashion right now. You see, everyone's smoking cigarette. Like, Indians don't smoke cigarette, but it still happens, right? So yeah, money can be of two types: self-investments and other investments. To put plain and simple, until and unless your idea is put to test, no one in the market is willing to invest in your idea. It's that simple. So you need to shell out money from your own pockets at the beginning stage. And then probably you find an investors and your idea eventually becomes big. Right? So how to initiate a startup? Let's just think about that right now. You have an idea. At a college level, what you can do is probably, at our college especially, you have us. So you all can come to us. We help you initiate ideas. We help you probably connect you to the right people, and then we help you fund your ideas and make your ideas bigger. So there were 3 of these kind last year in our college in water and energy, which you probably won't see right now because they're not that determined, but they're still there. And then we have the water and energy coming again. So at a college level, it's possible because, especially in engineering, you do everything apart from engineering. So you have a lot of free time on your hands, and you see a lot of like-minded people around you. So if you have an idea coming up, you go to someone, they probably tell you, oh yeah, I help you with the idea. And then something starts. Like for example, a website development team or a creative team can be formed anywhere, right? You sit in computers, you say that you want to form a website development team, 10 people will raise their hand up. So it's as simple. So an idea can start from anywhere. So how to initiate a startup? I'll just give you 7 steps which you require to probably initiate a startup. The first thing that you need to identify while creating a startup is what is your product? And the next most important thing is target audience. Who you want to target? So if you're probably coming up with wallets, you can target anyone because nowadays you see even small children carrying wallets. So wallets can be probably for anyone. But when you need to identify your specific target audience because target audience is very important when you're starting up with a startup because you cannot register yourself as a company until and unless you've shown transactions, right? So to start a startup, you need to start selling your product. Like for example, consider a t-shirt company, right? So they will not immediately put their stuff online. So they will go to colleges, they will sell it in colleges, they will sell it to their peers, they will sell it to their friends, and then ultimately after accumulating money, they have faith in their idea, and then they will start a business. So that is probably what you require initially. Like you need to identify